way for me, please. Right there. Right there. Right there. Just so easy. Right there. Nice and soft, easy, can we? Come on, I think I want two more times. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. There you go. You did tight last time? You did tight last time, right?
I just worked out, so.
Okay. Good. Hard working lady. Right there. Right, easy, 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 easy. Come on. One more time. Yeah, that was better. That was better. Did you show off all your gymnastic moves when you did that?
Yeah, no.
Sit up for me, please. A little bit better hard for me. This one goes on top, this one on the bottom. Right there, turn your head that way for me, please. Take a breath in. Go backwards. Nice gentle. Come on. Come on. There you go. So come on, come on. There you go. That was better. Okay, that was good.
That was good.
And then your back for me, please. Hands on your stomach for me, please. Nice. Hands on your stomach.
Hands on my
You're
stomach.
doing great.
Okay.
You're doing wonderful. Nice and gentle. Easy, 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 easy. Oh, nice. So good. Nice and gentle, soft and smooth, please. Soft, soft, soft. Let it go. You're doing that. Don't help me. Oh, there you go. You're doing great. Okay, again. Redo your feet. Anything else? What we got here? Yeah, let's do this one. The doc does it this way. Nice, easy. Okay, good. Nice and gentle. Okay, come on. Oh, that was good. Nice and gentle. This one. Easy, easy, easy. Good. There you go. Scoot back towards your head for me, please. Do this one for me, okay? So, get this right there. Okay. Amazing Nicole. Fit, healthy. Easy. The Bulls are winning again. You follow them? You follow
I
them?
saw that, yep. We had to watch the Bengals game.
Oh yeah, did you guys go?
No, I mean, we watched it on TV. but-
That was pretty amazing. Except it's like flag football now. You miss all the hitting. It still has its great thrills.
Yeah.
But they don't have like they used to. Okay, we'll do that. We can do some soft tissue.